First thing is we'll remove the dipstick. This is going to help the crankcase breathe properly when we drain the engine oil. Up next, using a 17mm wrench, we'll go ahead and remove the drain bolt and let the engine oil drain completely. You don't want any of them old contaminants left over in the system when we go to fill it back up. Now that we've got our engine oil drain, we're going to go ahead and reinstall the drain bolt, but this time we're going to torque it to 18 foot-pounds. You want to be careful and not over tighten it, because the last thing you want is to strip off that drain bolt. This unit doesn't require an oil filter, so we'll go straight to the fill process. This particular engine holds 1.6 quarts of Honda Gen 4 10W30 engine oil. Now we'll remove the funnel, reinstall our dipstick, and this time we're going to start the engine up, let it idle for just a few moments, and then shut it down and let it sit for a few moments. That's going to get the oil circulated into the system, be able to get an accurate oil level reading. Now we'll just remove the dipstick, wipe off the excess oil. When we go to reinstall it, you don't thread it all the way down, just set it on top. And our oil level looks perfect. It's time to hit the road.